Hi everyone, today we are going to make a video how to replace the lens camera glass on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me show you step by step. Okay, this is the screen, this is the lens, it is broken and we are going to apply a little bit heat over there. Be careful, only need to apply like not in the center, because you can damage the camera, but we apply heat on the side, only on the side. You can see right now. We can remove the glasses like that. Okay. Yeah, we take it out all glasses that was on the camera, and now we can clean the surface. Okay, everything looks good. Now we can clean the surface of the like where the lens will be fit. Everything looks good and nice. We can clean a little bit with alcohol. Okay, and from another side that is without alcohol, we can clean the camera. The camera most of the time not need to apply liquid or alcohol, because sometimes damage the lens inside. Yeah, like that looks nice right now. Okay, we will apply a glue around the camera. sure that the glue is not connected with the camera, because where they make the zooming does not move the lens, and in this moment you can't make a picture like with focus, autofocus. Okay, now we can put the lens back to the camera and it will look like brand new. Okay, we will clean up the side of the glue. Okay, nice. Okay, this job is done. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and we are going to make another video next time. Thank you. Yep.